Welcome back. Are you looking to enhance your camper van without emptying your wallet? Today we're diving into creative and budget-friendly DIY upgrades that will take your camper van to the next level. Whether it's comfort, functionality, or aesthetics, these upgrades are perfect for anyone looking to personalize their van life experience without breaking the bank. A fresh coat of paint can do wonders for your camper van's interior. Choose light colors to make the space feel bigger and brighter, or go bold with accent walls. Use peel and stick wallpaper for a quick, easy, and removable design boost. It's an affordable way to transform the look of your camper. Lighting is an easy and impactful upgrade. Replace outdated fixtures with energy-efficient LED strip lights or fairy lights for a warm, inviting glow. Battery-authorized options are ideal for flexibility, and dimmer switches add a touch of luxury to your lighting setup. For maximum organization, install modular shelving or hanging organizers. Utilize the back of doors with over-the-door storage racks. Underbed drawers or DIY sliding storage bins can keep your essentials neat and accessible. Even simple magnetic strips for tools and utensils can make a big difference. Enhance your camper van's comfort with budget-friendly upgrades. Memory foam mattress toppers can improve sleep quality, while throw pillows and blankets add a cozy touch. Reupholster old cushions with durable, washable fabric for a fresh look. Upgrade your kitchen setup with small but impactful changes. Install a folding countertop extension for extra prep space, or add a pull-out pantry for efficient food storage. Use stackable containers to organize ingredients and save space. Magnetic knife strips or adhesive hooks can keep tools secure and accessible. Don't overlook exterior upgrades. Adding a roof rack or DIY awning provides practical outdoor space. Solar-powered string lights or adhesive solar panels offer eco-friendly energy solutions. For a personal touch, try custom decals or even a new paint job to make your van stand out. Thanks for joining us today. DIY camper van upgrades are not only budget-friendly, but also a fun way to personalize your space. Which of these upgrades are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to elevate your van life experience.